Okay, so we're in Danny's kitchen today and we're making a green juice. This is one of Danny's favourite juices.
Yeah.
And
I discovered it yesterday.
But it's been inspired by Lou Corona, right?
I guess so. The thing for me is that I do dumpster diving, so I take whatever's around.
Mm-hmm.
So if I would do anything similar to Lou Corona, it would always be a bit modified.
So what do we have today?
But today we're quite blessed. We got parsley.
Where did you get this from?
Dumpster dive.
Dumpster dived?
We foraged this today, these apples in
Fresh
the morning.
and true, right? Oh, you picked them up.
Dumpster dived celery, dumpster dived kale. This is black kale, and you can see that a reason that they throw it away is because some of it is going yellow, but many parts of it is
still good.
So beautiful. Dumpster dived ginger, lemon, and chili, and this we actually picked on our walk today. This is, I don't have an English name for it, but in Swedish it's called harsyra, and then dandelions.
This is
This
technically a lemon ginger blast.
Yeah, a Swedish edition.
This is a Swedish edition lemon ginger blast. So we're going to cut this up into very fine pieces, and we're going to use today your slow press juicer.
Yeah.
So this is what Daniella owns.
This is my baby. She's been serving me well for 2 years. I got it when I met Ali on Instagram and he inspired me to do juicing. This one costed me on sale £80. So you can get an amazing juicer. I've done juice fasts with this and it's been amazing. I like vertical juicers.
So this one doesn't even take much space.
No, and it's super easy to clean.
It's got a small shoe. So we're going to have to cut everything up to fit this small shoe.
Yeah.
And then we're going to compost all the waste. And we're going to drink all the liquids.
Wow. These apples are so good. Apples are very, very good for moving your bowels if you eat the fibers. And the juice is also highly cleansing for the GI tract. And people use it in a protocol for cleaning the liver. The liver gallbladder cleanse. I know you use oils as well. These are so crispy. I've only juiced dandelions once and I didn't finish the juice.
No.
Because it was so disgusting, but I had stinging nettle too.
Yeah.
But we're trying this as an experiment.
We're doing this medicinally.
Yeah. Ultimately, fruit is the best food for humans. If you have access to especially tropical fruits that are grown and ripened properly, it's really good for you. So you want to focus on the fruits. But these are very nice for people that are in non-tropical climates. This is something that my mom, as a kid, we would go out in the Swedish forest and we would get taught that you can eat this. So while walking out, even with the horses sometimes, we jump off the horses to pick these, I don't even know what it is or the word in English, but
they taste like sour cauliflower.
With a hint of lemon. You can see they have this beautiful color on the stem. It's very delicious, and you can tell by the color, and it grows in very pristine places, and they can grow like millions of it everywhere. Parsley, you really want to chop more finely because in a juicer it's easier for it to process it.
Yeah.
Otherwise the juicer can get stuck and it's a mess to try to clean it up.
In between the juice especially.
Yeah, and the aroma of parsley is so delicious.
So we want your kitchen to smell like herbs and fruits.
Yeah. This is good for your kidneys and just overall a herb that's very aromatic and good in many different meals.
Look at the colour. Beautiful.
Yeah.
So Danny just chops everything up and put it into this
Big bowl.
Big
then
bowl.
I'll just... So I've washed it, but sometimes the dirt is stuck. But the thing is, if you got organic produce that have dirt on it, it's very beneficial for your gut flora to help you get more resistant and have a strong immune system, because the immune system starts with your bacteria flora in the gut. So don't be afraid of eating dirty, clean foods. A bit of soil from an apple that you picked from a garden, it's all good. Celery is good for fixing and rebalancing your hydrochloric acid in your stomach. Also beautiful hydration, good mineral salts.
Wow, it smells amazing.
Yeah.
And what we have here is that I just want to stress something. I can't get this in London, but Danny's got access to celery of the actual leaves.
Yeah, and I juice that as well. I use all of the...
Yeah. If you actually look, it's the most dense green in the leaves. That's what the chlorophyll is made.
Green juices are amazing to hit on the cravings. Like if you're used to having salty foods growing up and stuff, this can be a really good way to balance and give that density of minerals that may be difficult to getting in other fruits that's been imported. I remember one time in Bali I ate what I thought was pure ginger from the soil, like straight up, but it wasn't, and it tasted so bad. Do you remember that time, Ali?
So they're cutting the ginger up into bite-sized pieces as well. Just it's easier to digest for the juicer machine. And the reason why we're juicing is because we're passing over the digestive effort to the juicer so we can reserve more energy for healing. But more important, if you're going to drink all this medicine, you can't really eat all of that. You just need to drink it.
And it tastes so good.
So this is ancient wisdom with modern technology.
Do the seeds as well?
Yes, please.
It wasn't until...
Oh, you can just throw that in whole, sorry. Oh, as you wish.
It wasn't until lately I've enjoyed spicy things, or even just thought of it as healthy.
It is anti-parasitic. As I said, if it burns your finger, imagine what it does to the parasites inside of us. If you have some.
So this juice actually cost us nothing because it's mixed with...
It's all done to them and foraged.
Yeah.
My favourite fruit in the world is lemon. I meditated on it. It's the lemon. Lemon is my favourite.
Wow. I've learned to enjoy it after meeting you. I didn't like sour stuff before.
So while Danny's finishing off the curl here, what I just want to quickly explain is a very useful trick is just to put a large container, if you have one, a strainer and a spoon, and you leave this for the juice to go into, and then you can just press the pulp.
Especially with greens, a lot of even though it mixes, it separates really well. It tends to get a lot of fiber still in the, unless you have like a super duper expensive one.
Yeah.
Even then.
We like strained juice.
Yeah, I love strained juice.
So Danny, what's the technique for juicing here?
I don't want to do all greens because the greens will make it a bit too tough for the juicer. So I mix. I take a bit of greens, a little bit at a time, and then I'll add a lemon or cucumber or apples to help move the greens out from here.
And if you have a good juicer, this should come out pretty dry, which it does. So you don't need to spend a boatload of money to have a good juicer. It just needs to be a slow press juicer. Vertical is great.
Organic.
Bugs and slugs means it's organic. And what you can do is you can close the cap. You can let the juice accumulate while you spend some time pressing all the pulp. So everything's finished now. Look at all this amazing compost to go back into nature. This is beautiful. Nothing gets wasted here. In London, we have to throw it in the bin. Here, you can just...
Wow, the color. God bless. Oh my god, it's so strong. That's a lot of chili and ginger.
Really?
Oh my god. But it's nice. It comes afterwards. Super nice and green. It's very balanced. The texture. The thing that black kale does with the texture, it makes it smooth like milk.
And then last stage of the juicing process.
is to go and compost. In where I live, we actually have a way of recycling food matter, but I juice and use so much produce that we compost as well. So this is my compost. That's it. Going back to nature, feeding the soil, feeding everything.
Thank you, Danny.
Thank you, Ali, and everyone.
Bye.